Hello guys, today we're going to make some pumpkin bread using pumpkin puree. So in this bread we're going to be using arrowroot powder. That's going to be my substitute for cornstarch. Using brown sugar. Using unsweetened applesauce, my egg substitute. Some vanilla, some cinnamon, some nutmeg. Okay, and extra virgin olive oil and some baking powder. All right guys, and as for my flour substitute, I will be using oatmeal that I ground up into this fine powder. So guys, let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with our finely ground oat powder. Oh, this is my arrowroot powder. Put half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon. This is nutmeg I'm going to use. You could put as much as you want. I'm just going to grate it the old-fashioned way right over it. My sweetener is raw brown sugar, 1 cup. Right, I'm only using 1 cup of brown sugar because I'm using the unsweetened applesauce, right, and dry fruit. So I don't want it to be too sweet, so hopefully it balances it out. You could decide whatever you want in your pumpkin bread. I had some dried cloves here. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of that. See, some dried clove inside there. You can also use a pumpkin spice mix that's already have all the spices mixed together, but I prefer to use my own so I can measure how much I like. It's up to you guys. Now we're going to give this baby a twirl. Look at that. I do have the mixture, but I'm so old school how my mother and my dad taught me how to bake and cook. So how are you guys doing today? Drop a note in the comment, let me know guys. It's that season, we are in that season, pumpkin season. Thanksgiving haven't arrived, but we're in October. But guess what? It's close enough, so we got to get ready and get in a moment for this holiday spirit, guys. Now, I'm not one of those bakers that has to go through separating everything. I just put everything in one cup and just mix it. So here we go, guys. So I'm taking my applesauce, throwing that sucker right in. There we go. I'm going to mix it right in. Mix the applesauce right in, guys. Look at that. See? Mixing it in. Alright, I'm going to mix my pumpkin in. See? Get that pumpkin in. Scoop it right out. See? Hurry. Scoop it right out, guys. Now all you do, mix, mix, mix. Look at that. See? Mixing it.
I'm going to use a fork and balance out any up, but this is what I'm doing. Okay.
See? And it's coming up pretty well, decent, not bad, right? See guys? Just mixing it. So we're making this wonderful pumpkin bread, pumpkin loaf. It hasn't gotten, not bad. The spice blend is very nice. I'm tasting the clove, the nutmeg, the cinnamon. Yum, yum, yum. Tastes so good. Oh my God, that cozy, wonderful feeling. I want to try something. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to make the loaf. Some going to be loaves and some going to put in muffins. So I'm making a few of the muffins. Guys, look at that. It blends so nice. Look at that. Pumpkin. Yum. Okay, so now guys, we're going to pour in some olive oil. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys. Not bad. What? You can use a tad bit more sweetener, not much. Now we're gonna just mix all that in, and this should give it the smoothness. Now you don't have to use olive oil if you don't want. You could use whatever you prefer, or you could leave it out. It's up to you. You could use butter, but you find what substitute you like. Some people don't like oil in their baked goods, and that's fine. All right, guys. So this is how it came out. See that how nice and smooth it is? I think something wrong with me. We forgot the vanilla. We got to have some vanilla in here. You know I don't bake on a regular. Okay, 1/4. Usually I put, matter of fact, we're gonna add 2 because I like to have a half a teaspoon. I like to taste my vanilla in my food. Now I'm just giving it a swirl with my fork. I use a spoon, but I just want to give it a little swirl. A little swirl. And that's it, guys. Time to pour it in. Let's see. Okay, so although it's supposed to be non-stick, I'm very skeptical, okay? Because I did get these from the Dollar Tree. So, anyway. So I am going to oil these babies down. Okay, just a little bit of oil. All right, guys, so I am going to scoop some in. This may be too big, but I should use a smaller spoon. All right, and we're gonna make some pumpkin muffin and then some loaf. I know this video I said it was pumpkin loaf, pumpkin bread, but I'm mixing it. One is gonna be a loaf and a few gonna be muffins. So we're scooping some right inside of there, guys. All right, real quickly. Hopefully I don't look like this. Scooping the bad boys in there, and then I'll show you. Okay, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. If you're still here with me, guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like these, please do subscribe, like, share, okay? And leave me comments down below and tell me what you think, okay? And guys, like my mother always say, if you don't have nothing nice to say, remain quiet, okay? Alrighty. So I have some cranberries here, and I'm gonna put some in inside so we can get a taste of how that tastes. Then I'm gonna put some pumpkin seeds on some of them. Okay, so right, 2 pumpkin seeds, put that here. Then we also have some cherries. So let's see how that tastes, how the cherry tastes. Okay, so we put some cherries here. Just want to see how it tastes with cherries, right? And we had some raisins, okay? Got these raisins from Whole Foods, guys. So I want to see how that tastes, pumpkin. And I'll just do one mix at all. And that's it, guys. So you see, look at that. So now I'm just gonna take the fork and push down because I want them to be inside of it. And then I'll probably put some on the top, you know, just so I can put it in to cover it. So when it's baking, okay, cover it. Same thing with the raisins, all the fruits, just tuck them right in there nice. The pumpkins I'm gonna leave on top. Those I'll let stay on the top. Okay, and then I'm just put some more pumpkin, just a little bit on top of it, or not. And now we're gonna do the same thing as I did for the other pan. Just gonna work right around there. I don't have any loaf. My loaf went bad. I need some new loaf pans, but this is perfect. This is fine, so it'll be circle. Now we're gonna scoop this baby out and pour it right inside here. Hopefully it's enough. Pour it right in there. I don't even know if it's enough. See that? Pour it right in there. All right, guys, so that's it. See, it's all smoothed out. It's enough. It is enough. I won't be putting any dry fruits in these, but that's it. So it's so good. I love to lick this smooth, and I love pumpkin, so. All right, guys, in the oven it goes. All right, guys, I want to graciously say thank you so much for watching with me baking pumpkin pie loaf and pumpkin muffins. I'll be back to show you how they come out. So I put them in the oven for about 40 minutes. As you can see, this is how it came out. So it didn't rise how I expected to rise. So that tells me I got to put a little more baking powder. But all in all, it did come out fine. So as you can see, yes, they didn't rise how I wanted to. But they came out pretty well. We'll see now. All right, guys, so I'm back. The pumpkin loaf. Well, I didn't have a loaf pan, but I have a circle pan. It's finished, and this is how it came out. I'm gonna cut it so you guys can see. It's still pretty warm, but it's okay. I'm gonna cut it. That's about it. I put the knife in, a butter knife to test it. And these are the muffins. See the pumpkins right here? All right, so we're gonna try those babies out. And it is ready. Let's see. Alrighty. See? It was able to lift out. See, look at that. Perfect. I'm going to cut. See? And we're going to see how this came out. It's a little soft. Remember, I had the applesauce or something. Probably could cool a little bit more. Voila. Look at that, guys. Not bad. It's a little chewy. Not firm, but pretty good. So now, we'll put this aside and we'll try the muffins. Okay. Let's see. Should be at the same thing. And this is how the muffins came. Nice bite size. Break them. So this is how the muffin came out. Let's give it a little. It's still kind of warm. Oh, look at that goodness. Look at that. See the raisins? I'm glad. It's hot. That's the problem. So I'm gonna let it cool and get back to you guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.